Unravel the magic of object pronouns. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting session. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of object pronouns. We all know how important pronouns are in English. But did you know pronouns are further divided into different types? Yes, one of the most used ones is object pronouns. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. So, what are object pronouns? Simply put, object pronouns are those pronouns that receive the action in a sentence. They replace the object of the sentence to avoid repetition and make our sentences sound more natural. Here are the object pronouns we commonly use: me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Let's look at an example. Sarah loves her dog. She loves it very much. In the second sentence, it is an object pronoun replacing her dog. Object pronouns are generally used in two places. First, they can be used as the object of a verb. Second, they can be used as the object of a preposition. Let's see examples for both usages. 1. Object of a verb. John invited me to his party. Here, me is the object of the verb, invited. 2. Object of a preposition. She gave the book to me. Here, me is the object of the preposition, to. Now, it's time to practice. Here are some sentences. Try to replace the objects with the correct object pronouns. 1. Can you help Peter and Mary with the project? 2. I bought a gift for Sally. 3. The teacher is proud of John and me. Answers. 1. Can you help them with the project? 2. I bought a gift for her. 3. The teacher is proud of us. Remember, practice makes perfect. There you have it, folks. The fascinating world of object pronouns. Remember, using them correctly can make your sentences sound a lot more natural. Keep practicing and soon, they'll become second nature to you. Until next time, keep exploring the beautiful realm of English. Happy learning!